Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see about combustion chamber of the gas turbine engine. So this is a typical representation of the gas turbine engine combustion chamber. Here we can clearly see the main components of the combustion chamber. So here the fuel inlet, injector, solar vents. So first I will explain what's the main purpose of the injector. Injector or atomizer is a device. So this is the main important component of the combustion chamber. So fuel will be injected through the this injector only. So next, solar vents. So gaseous fuel we can call as injector, whereas for the liquid fuel the injector is called as a atomizer. Okay. In upcoming videos I will explain detail about the atomizer. Next, solar vents. The main purpose of the solar vents is to create the recirculation zone or properly mixing the air fuel mixture in the primary zone of the combustion. Yeah, this is the primary zone we can call or the combustion zone. So based on this recirculation, fuel and air properly mix and create the combustion. I mean it will properly burn in the combustion zone. So we have three different zones in the entire combustion chamber. First is combustion zone that we can call as a primary zone of the combustion chamber also. Whereas second is the mixing zone. Third one is the dilution zone. Here we can see the air is split into different flow paths. One is primary air. So the primary air mainly for the combustion purpose. Here we can see the primary air entering into the main combustion chamber combustion zone. Okay, this is the one like primary air, whereas further the air is bypassing through the liner, then it is mixing into the combustion chamber. Here we can see the secondary air. So here we can see three different lines. They are splitting the three different of rows of air into the mixing zone. Here further it will mix in the combustion chamber. It will enhance the combustion as well as it will cool down the liner temperature. Further, this is a dilution zone. In order to maintain certain temperature, which is like intake temperature of the turbine, we are mixing further air to dilute the combustion temperature. That means hot gas temperature. Then the hot gas is further entering into the turbine. Here this is the towards the gas turbine. So this is a simple explanation of the combustion chamber. So here I explained about the fuel inlet, injector, solar vents, primary zone or combustion zone, mixing zone or and dilution zone. So this is the typical representation of the gas turbine engine. So here I will stop in the explanation of the theoretical basis. Then I will move to the design of this combustion chamber using solid software.